Hi, my name is Tapan Kapadia from HSW Embroidery Machine. Welcomes you again. Today, in this video, we are going to show how you can register a HSW Embroidery Machine with its company. After registration, you will get many benefits. One of it is your warranty will be start from the same day, and second thing, you can check whether the machine is genuine or a fake. So, without wasting time, let's start. Any machine which is delivered after October 2024, from HSW, they have given a QR code scanner over here just beside the head. So now the process is very simple. Nowadays, in each and every smartphone, you will get a QR code scanner or a Google Lens. So just open up a QR code scanner or a Google Lens and scan the QR code. Once you will scan the QR code, a link will open. In that link, you have to click the link and it will take you to the HSW website. So, in that link, once you click the link, the web page will open. In that, you will see the serial number, you will see the model machine number, and you have to verify the machine model number with the plate beside over here. So now the process is very simple. Just you have to insert your mobile number, like I am inserting my mobile number. You have to write the contact number. Here I am writing Tapan Kapadia. Name. You have to insert a pin code. Once you insert the pin code, your city and state will come automatically. You have to write the date of purchase, that's 10th December, that's today date, I am putting it over here. And you have to insert your WhatsApp number. Remember guys, WhatsApp number is very important because the OTP will come to your WhatsApp number. And on the same WhatsApp number, the other benefits will also be shown. So you have to insert your WhatsApp number over here. Once you insert the WhatsApp number, please press next. Once you press the next, now you have to go to the WhatsApp and you will see that OTP is over there. So now the OTP over here is 644771. So we will insert the same OTP over here and press submit. Once it is submitted, a screen will appear successfully registered. That means your machine is registered and this machine is genuine, it's not fake. So now you will get a subscription for 1 year in HSW Embroidery Machine design application. In this design, there are more than 3000 designs and every month they upload 15 to 20 new designs for its customer. So you will get the benefit of design application. Second thing, your warranty for electronic will start. Third thing, you will come to know that it's genuine or fake. So guys, please register machine and take the benefit of HSW machine. Secondly, once you register your machine, second or third day, HSW team will call you to verify your details and to take a feedback of installation and demonstration. So please cooperate with them and give them a proper feedback so that HSW can improve their service of installation demo, and in future it will help to the new customers. So that's a simple process of registration. So guys, if you like this video and if you find this video useful, then please share this video to your friends and families so that they can take a maximum benefit of it. And please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that whenever HSW Embroidery Machine upload a new video, it will give notification to you. Thank you very much.